Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a public contest in My 11 Circle. First, open the My 11 Circle app and navigate to the Create Contest section. You'll then select the specific sport and match you wish to base your contest around. Next, decide on the contest type, whether it's a small head-to-head battle or a larger mega contest with many participants. This initial setup is crucial for a successful event. Once your contest type is chosen, it's time to set the rules. You'll need to define the entry fee, perhaps $25 per participant, which contributes to the prize pool. Clearly specify the maximum number of participants your contest will accommodate. Finally, determine how the prize money will be distributed among the winners and how many ranks will receive a payout. Transparency here is key for attracting players. After setting up the rules, carefully review all the contest details to ensure everything is accurate before making it public. To attract players, share your unique contest ID with friends and promote it across various social media platforms. Actively monitoring the number of participants and the overall contest status will help you manage it effectively. Engaging with potential players can also boost participation. Once the match concludes, ensure that all prize payouts are processed accurately and promptly to the winners. Clear communication with participants regarding their earnings and how to claim them is essential for a positive experience. A well-managed payout process builds trust and encourages future participation. And for a smarter home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description, along with other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.